Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my learning channel. I hope you all are definitely happy and fit. So today I am here with the new topic. We will learn vocabulary about clothes. So without wasting her time, let's begin. फर्स्ट वन है हमारे पास कैप, सन ग्लासेस, स्कार्फ, ग्लव्स, स्कर्ट, बेल्ट, shoes, shirt, dress, trouser, socks, t-shirts. Now what are you wearing? फर्स्ट वन है हमारे पास टी शर्ट, ड्रेस, स्कर्ट, जीन्स, जैकेट, जंपर, शॉर्ट्स, ट्राउजर्स, hat, scarf, gloves, swimsuit, flip-flops, sneakers, boots, socks, jacket, men's suit, pant, jeans, shirt, vest, shorts, t-shirt, skirt, boxer shorts, high heels shoes, tie, bow tie, cap, boots, gloves, hat. So these are the new vocabulary words. Everyone wearing according to his or her choice. I hope you will learn from this lecture. If you are new on my channel, don't forget like, subscribe, share. Take care. Allah Hafiz.